Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back. ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, the latest addition to the Zenfone family. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Zenfone 11 Ultra boasts a sleek and glossy matte finish with an eye-catching monogram that embodies ASUS DNA. But what really steals the show is its massive 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. With a 144Hz refresh rate that can drop to lower numbers to save battery, HDR10 support, and a peak brightness of 2500 nits, this screen is a visual treat, with under-display fingerprint sensor, and it is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Zenfone 11 Ultra comes with IP68 water resistance, effortlessly handles splashes, allowing you to live life to the fullest. Now let's focus on the camera setup. The Zenfone 11 Ultra boasts a rear triple camera setup. Leading the pack is a primary 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor paired with ASUS's 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 3.0, ensuring highly steady shots. Complementing this is a 1-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens and a 32-megapixel telephoto lens featuring 3x optical zoom. The same goes for the 32-megapixel RGBW selfie camera. Both lack autofocus. Also with 13 megapixels ultra-wide camera with a 120 brand field of view. Oh, and did I mention it shoots 8K video? Yes, you heard that right. At 24 FPS under the hood, the Zenfone 11 Ultra packs a punch. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. The software side is covered by Android 14 OS. The AI features included here are AI wallpapers, noise cancellation for calls, as well as live translation and transcriptions, similar to Samsung and Google's offerings. And don't worry about running out of juice. The 5500 mAh battery supports blazing fast 65 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging. Now the big question, how much does it cost? The Zenfone 11 Ultra comes in 3 stunning colors, Eternal Black, Skyline Blue and Misty Gray. You can grab the base model, 256GB, 12GB RAM for $899. Mark your calendars, it's set to release on April 14th. And there you have it folks, the ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra. If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay curious.